So I've been asked, why the shoe? Why would you put a shoe on a billboard? And are you trying to make everybody think that cosmetic surgery is a fairy tale and we should all have it so we'll live happily ever after? And that's not it. I'm really trying to redefine happily ever after, because to me, happily ever after is every day. And I think at some point in life we lose self-confidence. We all do at one point or another, and we don't feel as good about ourselves, and that's just no way to live forever. I work really closely with Alabama Vascular and Vein and Dr. John Kingsley, and I approached him with this fairy tale idea, and it certainly took some explaining, because I think when people hear that, they think ideal man or ideal woman, and that's really not what it's all about. But very quickly he understood and thought through it, and really started telling me stories about a lot of the vein patients that haven't worn, shorts, that are embarrassed to go to the gym and exercise or walk their dogs, or even their kids, and they just are hot out on the baseball fields because they don't want to wear shorts. So the vein procedures work very well with other cosmetic procedures, because they really change people's lives in that, they're not hurting, and so that certainly helps a lot. But the cosmetic aspect of it and being able to wear shorts again is a really big deal. So it's about everyday life. It's about feeling good every day. And by feeling good, I mean having the self-confidence that when you walk out of your house, whether you're going to carpool or to lunch with your friends or shopping, wherever you're going, and feel confident in yourself. And that affects everything you do and how you interact with everybody throughout your day. And that, to me, is really a modern-day fairy tale. I think that on television there's a lot of extreme makeover, and that is fun to watch. It really can be fun to watch. But the reality is people don't want an extreme makeover. People want to look like themselves, only a little better. I hear often, I want to be the me I remember. And that's how people still see themselves, as the way they used to be, or the way they were before children, or the way 10 years ago, or without the extra skin or all the sun damage. And I think that it's important for people to realize is that it doesn't have to be an extreme makeover, and it really shouldn't ever be. It's about little things and changing things, and that sometimes that's all it takes to get you back to feeling self-confident. Our operating rooms are HHC accredited, which means that we are held to the same standards as the hospitals, essentially, in office-based surgery. It also means that we have had to undergo rigorous examination and had surveyors come to our facility in order to make sure that we are upholding the highest of standards in the care that we take of our surgical patients. A lot of people think it's about being sexy, and there are advertisements with women in panties and women in bikinis. And for most women, and even men that I see, it's about clothes. Most of the time, blue jeans. I don't know why we all relate to our blue jeans, but we do. And it's about getting up in the morning and walking into your closet and putting on clothes. And the self-confidence that you have throughout your whole day when you feel good about how you look translates and affects everything you do for the whole day. And I think that it's important that most people out there that see these ads and think, well, I don't really care about how I look in panties or in a bathing suit that I would probably never wear, know that that's not how it is for most people. It's clothes.